Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private.
So let's begin.
Hello everyone. So here we are in Instagram, and the first thing that we need to do to make our account private is tap on the profile picture on the bottom right of your screen. And once you tap here, you want to tap on the three horizontal bars. Next, tap on this one, and from here tap on settings. So once you're here on settings, you want to make sure that your account is in personal mode, not in professional mode. So you would need to go here in the search bar and type in switch. Right here, switch. Let's type it real quick. Right here. So as you can see, I have the switch to professional account right here. So if you see like this, so if it says switch to professional account, then you don't have to do anything. But if it says that switch to personal account, then you would have to tap on it and switch to personal account. But seeing as I am already in personal account, all I have to do left is tap on privacy, and from here tap on this button right here to toggle my private account feature on. So as you can see, it's now toggled on, and now my account is private. Now others won't be able to see my profile without my permission. And as you can see, I have the lock icon at my name right now, or my handle right here. And that's basically it for this video.
If you found this
Thank you
video
for
helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.